What do you think our legacy is gonna be?
But the people we saved, they're our legacy. And they'll remember us. What are you doing?
Leaving our mark.
Isn't. Family don't end with blood, boy.
Guess I found a family.
You're my family.
Welcome to the family. My family.
I adopted 2 boys. They grew up heroes. 2 salty hunters, 1 half-angel kid. Dude just came back from the dead. Again. Team Free Will 2.0. I guess that I had hoped eventually you would get yourself a normal life, a peaceful life.
I am a Winchester!
A family. I have a family.